Welcome to Millet Table. For more recipes, you can log on to our website millettable.com. Today I am making Ragi Moong Dosa. So I have taken equal quantity of Ragi and Moong. That is 1 cup of Ragi, 1 cup of green Moong. Wash them thoroughly and soak for 8 to 10 hours. I soaked it overnight. So that is around 10 hours. Okay, now after soaking, grind it to a fine batter consistency. This is how it looks after grinding. Then add 1.25 teaspoon of salt and ferment it for 2 hours. So after 2 hours, the batter is ready for making dosas. Now the tawa is ready. Let's make dosa. Our Ragi Moong dosa is ready.